What's up, guys? Chris Martinez coming to you live from the Keller Williams right here in Spring, Texas. And I've been getting a lot of questions on how you get in front of real estate agents. And actually, we put out a video here not too long ago on referral marketing. So if you get a chance, go check that video out. It goes through exactly how we do it. There's a lot of legwork that you need to do to get in front of real estate agents. It does not happen overnight. But let me tell you something, when it does happen, it can be a powerful tool for you, for some of you guys, man. I mean, it's almost like getting free work, man. So once you get your referral marketing thing down, guys, go watch that video on how we get them. It's a lot of legwork. I'm not gonna lie to you, but once you get them, it's gonna be awesome. So I want to just show you guys this real quick, man. One of the ways that we got this is the real estate office right here. This is probably one of the bigger ones. It's probably one of the bigger ones here in this Spring area. And you know what? This is how it would happen. They actually called us up for a window cleaning. They said, hey, we want you guys to come out here and clean our windows for us monthly. And it was quarterly. They said, how much is it gonna cost? Now, some of you are gonna think I'm stupid and crazy, but that's just what I do, man. I'm crazy when it comes to getting work. So they called us up, said, hey, we want you to come clean our windows quarterly. How much? I told them free of charge. I said, I'm not gonna charge you. We'll clean all your exterior windows for you for free. All I want is to be able to speak to your real estate agents once every 3 months. They said, well, come on in, let's do it. So every 3 months, I get to come to this same real estate office and talk to 100 real estate agents. There's a little over 100 today. It's like 103 or something like that. And they actually provided lunch. I don't have to provide lunch, but a lot of the times we do provide the food. A lot of the times it's a lot of legwork, guys. There's a lot of, but let me tell you something, out of that 100, I just talked to about, I'm not even joking, the meeting was over at 1 o'clock. I spent the last 30 minutes or so speaking to different real estate agents saying, oh man, I got a client for you. Oh, I need this service right now. Guys, they need your services. You know, one of the things they just talked about was here in the Houston area, it's a shifty market. So guess what's important right now? Curb appeal. So if your market is kind of shifty right now, I mean, like last year, real estate agents had no problem selling homes here in the Houston area, and today they kind of do. Well, guess what? They need to step up their curb appeal game, and guess who's going to help them do that? Love My Windows and Love My Clean Roof. So, you know, one thing I always say is amateurs focus on the front end while professionals focus on the back end. While some of you are focused on me giving away free work, I'm more focused on that back end. I'm gonna give away free work, but how many of these real estate agents are gonna give me $400, $500, $600 jobs? How many of them can I sell packages to that are gonna be more than 1,000? So that's what I want to share this with you guys, because man, this is gonna be a powerful tool, especially if you don't have a whole lot of money to work with marketing. Dude, this is the way to go. So look, check this out, man. Every single one of them, we made brochures just for real estate agents. Inside that brochure, look at that, it's a $25 gift card for Love My Windows. Let me pull this out. You can get those from Mr. Tim Fields, man. Call Tim and tell him, hey, dude, I need some of those gift cards that Chris has. And man, just start handing those out, man. And get your real estate game on, guys. Get your referral marketing game on. It's a lot of legwork, but once you get in there, dude, it's gonna be freaking amazing. So you guys have a great day. Much success to you. Hey, let me see here. Let me see. What's up, Bill? What's up, Gene, Frank, Jody, Jeff? What's going on, man? Jeff, man, I'm excited about your Michael, what's up, man? I'm excited about your referral marketing thing, dude. I know it's gonna kick off, man. People are gonna start knowing your name, Jeff. So keep at it, man. Don't quit it. Get out there and get it, guys.